Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Secret baggage packing hacks for boys. Discover stealthy packing hacks for boys with these secret baggage tips. Streamline your packing process with clever organization, maximize space with strategic folding, and master the art of packing efficiently. Uncover the secrets to packing light and smart for any adventure that awaits. Packing efficiently is crucial, and here are some secret baggage packing hacks tailored for boys. Roll. Don't fold. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and minimize wrinkles. Use packing cubes. Invest in packing cubes to organize your clothes and accessories by category. Ziplock bags for toiletries. Place toiletries in Ziplock bags to prevent leaks and make security checks easier. Pack a power strip. Bring a power strip to charge multiple devices simultaneously with limited outlets. Utilize shoe space. Place small items, like socks or chargers, inside your shoes to maximize space. Wear bulky items. If you have bulky items, wear them during travel to save space in your luggage. Pack a reusable water bottle. Save money and reduce waste by bringing a collapsible water bottle that you can refill. Use the inside of shoes for small items. Utilize the space inside your shoes for small items like cufflinks or jewelry. Bring a portable charger. Keep your devices charged on the go with a portable charger. Limit shoe options. Pack versatile shoes to save space, and choose ones that match multiple outfits. Downsize toiletries. Transfer liquids into travel-sized containers to save space and comply with airline regulations. Wear your heaviest jacket. If you need a bulky jacket, wear it during travel to free up luggage space. Coordinate outfits. Plan outfits in advance to avoid overpacking and ensure you have versatile clothing options. Digital copies of documents. Keep digital copies of important documents on your phone or cloud storage for easy access. Pack a multi-tool. A compact multi-tool can come in handy for various situations. Use a money belt. Keep your valuables secure with a discreet money belt while traveling. Bring a laundry bag. Separate dirty clothes from clean ones with a lightweight laundry bag. Pack a hat. Protect yourself from the sun and save space by wearing a hat during travel. Downsize your wallet. Bring only essential cards and cash to minimize wallet bulk. Coordinate chargers. Use twist ties or cable organizers to keep chargers and cables tidy. Pack a travel-sized first aid kit. Be prepared for minor injuries or illnesses with a compact first aid kit. Compression bags for bulky items. Use compression bags for bulkier items like jackets to save space. Bring a quick dry towel. A compact, quick dry towel is ideal for saving space and staying fresh on your travels. Roll belts inside collars. Place rolled up belts inside shirt collars to maintain their shape. Limit gadgets. Only bring essential gadgets to reduce the weight and clutter in your bag. Pack a snack bag. Carry a small bag of non-perishable snacks for energy during your journey. Pre-pack emergency cash. Stash some emergency cash in different parts of your luggage. Use sunglasses case for cables. Store cables and earphones in a sunglasses case to prevent tangling. Utilize hotel toiletries. If staying in hotels, use the provided toiletries to save space and weight in your bag. Pack a foldable day pack. Bring a foldable day pack for short outings at your destination without taking up much space. These packing hacks can help you make the most of your luggage space and ensure a smoother travel experience. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.